Where is pan? Nick! Come, I make noise fast. How now? My party man. Yes, sir. How are you? Nick, come, there's business. The motor, don't finish that motor. I never finish him. I know say your guy go dey worry. But even whether he's worried or not, now I come for a deal. Yeah? See, I want us to do deal now. You see that motor? We're going to tell Oga that the engine has knocked beyond repairs. I want us to collect money equivalent to the amount for the engine of that car. Say the engine knock? Yes. I don't fear. How can I tell a lie? Don't fear. If you give me support, we are going to collect money. This is the only way for us to collect money. We tell the Oga that the car has knocked beyond repairs and we need replacement. Oga has never opened that engine. He does not know which one is his own, which one is not new and which one is old. So that we can grab money. Okay. Welcome, my party man. I'm at your service. Thank you. Whatever you suggest. I know that your guy is a very rich man. Of course now. I and you are poor. Exactly. That's why we don't have to joke with any kobo that comes our way. Exactly. So what we are going to do now is you will follow me to our place. I will tell Oga because he said I should go and check the car. We will tell Oga, this motor, there is nothing you can do about it. That thing has knocked everything up and down. Crankshaft to the block, the engine, everything is knocked. It depends on the way you present it now. Trust me now. If you present it wrongly, Oga will find out. Understand? Okay, like how much now is the price of that engine? The thing they reach 300,000 or 300,000. Hey, it's on the high side, but we won't tell Oga 300,000. Because if you tell her 300,000, he will begin making fire. I know. Like how much do we tell Oga? Okay, like between 120 and 140,000. Fine. You can tell him the actual price of the engine because I know my Oga. He can go and inquire. But tell him that maybe your friend, can give it to us. Who has it at 120 or 140 or 150, anything. You understand? Oga will gladly. I've been driver. I know Oga, the XYZ of Oga, the ABC of Oga. But like, how are we going to share the process now? That one is not a problem now. It's like this now. Okay. One left, one right. Okay. No problem. Are you doing anything? I will hand it over to your boys. Benji, come and take over this work. I am going out now. Quick! Back we will stop another car for you. Two of us can enter here now. Let's